Today we're going to do OO, or double O in the middle. So the first word is bloom. The flowers bloom in springtime. Next one, about an expansion or a sudden explosion. Boom. Boom. The third word, okay, is loot. Okay, you ready for that one? Loot. If people steal things from a shop, the window's been smashed, we call that loot. Okay. Next one, noon. If it's the middle of the day at 12, it's noon. Next one, roof. We all need a roof over our heads. Roof. Okay, so number 6 is shoot. You can shoot a gun, you can shoot a ball into the goal, but you get the idea, it's a sudden shoot. Number 7, soon. If something is going to happen in the near future, it's not going to take a long time, you'll say soon. Number 8, something you sit on. Not as comfortable as a chair, but you can still be okay on it. It's a stool. Stool. Right. So let's now go through the spellings of those 8 words. Have a quick look down your list. Make sure you've got double O in the middle of them all. And then here we go. Okay. So the first word is bloom. B-L-O-O-M. Bloom. Number 2, boom. B-O-O-M. Number 3, loot. L-O-O-T. Number 4, noon. N-O-O-N. Number 5, roof. R-O-O-F. Roof. Number 6, shoot. S-H-O-O-T. Shoot. Number 7, soon. S-O-O-N. Soon. And finally, number 8, stool. S-T-O-O-L. Stool. Okay, so have a look through your down your list and then check them again as I put the words up on the screen at the end. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.